Welcome to our channel. Today we how to delete draft tweets on X, profile cleanup step by step clearly. Open the X app on your phone, or go to x.com in a web browser. Log into the correct account where your drafts are saved. If you are using the mobile app, tap the plus button to create a new post. Look for the drafts option on the post screen and tap it to open your saved drafts. If you do not see drafts on mobile, update the X app from your app store and try again. If you are using a web browser, click the Post button to open the Composer window. In the Composer window on desktop, find and click Drafts to view your draft posts. Take a moment to confirm you are viewing the draft list and not scheduled posts. Tap or click a draft you want to remove so it opens in the editor. On mobile, tap the back arrow to return to the draft list after checking the draft. On desktop, close the editor view if it opens the draft in a pop-up and return to the list. Find the More or three-dot menu next to the draft or inside the draft view. Select Delete Draft when the Delete option appears. Confirm the deletion when X asks you to verify. Repeat the same delete process for each draft you no longer need. If you want to delete many drafts faster, work from oldest to newest so you do not miss any. If you are unsure about a draft, copy its text to notes or a document before deleting. Check the scheduled sections separately because scheduled posts are not the same as drafts. Open Scheduled and delete any scheduled posts you do not want to publish. Return to drafts again to make sure the list is getting shorter. If drafts are not disappearing, refresh the page on desktop or force close and reopen the app on mobile. Make sure your internet connection is stable so changes sync to your account. If you use multiple devices, check drafts on each device because some may appear after syncing. On iPhone or Android, clear the app cache only if drafts are stuck and the app supports it. On desktop, try another browser or an incognito window if the drafts menu will not load. After deleting, go back to your profile to confirm everything looks clean and current. Optionally, review your posted tweets and remove anything else you no longer want visible. Set a habit to delete unwanted drafts weekly so your profile stays organized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.